Huh?
You gotta wake up.
Why?
We're recording the Mint Julep.
Oh, sweet. Let's do it.
That's good.
The spin is here to stay, people. I don't care what my wife says. So, finally, we are in shorts and t-shirt weather here in Portland, Oregon, and we're all really grateful for it. We need to make something tasty and something really, really cold. And so we are going to be making the Mint Julep. But because everything is non-alcoholic here, we can't just call it a Mint Julep, right? So we are going to be calling this the Derby Deluxe. We're really excited about this. It's a very simple recipe, but when you're dealing with non-alcoholic products, especially spirits, you gotta be careful, right? Because we can't go overboard because we want the flavor to be good still. So what we are going to be using today is the Monday Zero Alcohol Whiskey. The reason we're choosing this is because it just has a little bit more complexity, which adds to the overall beauty of the Derby Deluxe. We will also be using the Demerara syrup. This is a semi-rich Demerara syrup that we made a few videos back. We're still recycling that syrup, which is amazing. And then mint, lots and lots of mint. Not this much mint, but lots of mint. And you're gonna need a muddler, your spoon, and the Thor's hammer of ice. And I'll explain what this does here shortly. So that's your ingredients, your tools, and a half of a shaker to muddle. So let's build it. All right, let's get into this. All right, so what we're going to need is about 6 to 8 mint leaves. You don't want to use the stem. The reason why is if you use the stem and you just throw it in there and you muddle it up, it's gonna be way more bitter and it's not gonna make anything taste very good. So I probably should have been counting instead of talking, but I think that's pretty good. All right, good, I need that. Okay, so like I said, we're gonna be equal parts Demerara syrup to the Monday Whisky. So that's gonna be 1.5 ounces of each. And this may seem like it's a lot of syrup, but the thing that we have to remember is that the Derby Deluxe, just like the Mint Julep, is something that is to be sipped slowly, even though this is pretty good and you're gonna wanna drink it real quick. But it is meant to be sipped slowly, especially because of the way that the ice is going to be crushed. So we have our simple syrup and the mint. So now let us, and as we muddle, there will be amazing music playing, I'm sure.
How do you know when you're done muddling?
So Chelsea asked a really good question, and that's a good question because it depends on what you're muddling. So for this particular one, you can tell that the mint leaves are kind of crumbling down. You can really smell the mint, and the syrup actually feels thicker on the muddler. If you're doing like a citrus or something, you'll be able to tell like when all of the flesh of the citrus has kind of been squeezed out. And really when you're pushing down, you can tell things are kind of getting easier and easier to muddle. That's when you're done. Okay, so now we are going to add our whiskey. The best part about starting with the Demerara first is this will actually clean up the jigger here and it'll wash all that out. So now all the syrup is officially in the glass, which is awesome. We need to grab our Mint Julep cup. So here at Clean, we really believe in mental health and taking care of our bodies, both mentally, physically, spiritually, emotionally. And one way that you can do that is getting yourself the Lewis ice bag from Whiskey with the hammer. So what we're gonna do right now is we're really just gonna pulverize this ice that I have in this bag. We're gonna use it here in the Mint Julep cup. So channel if you have any frustration or anything and just take it out on the ice, right? Here we go. Anyone else feel better after that? I know I do. All right, let's build this drink. Okay, your beautiful Mint Julep cup. Nice scoop. And we're gonna fill this about 3/4 of the way full. Okay, and then we are going to pour our muddled mixture into the rest. Nice. And now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna gently take our spoon here, mix all the mint and ice together. Okay. And then we're just gonna fill this up to the top here with ice. Here's the thing, when you're making Derby Deluxe like this, it might get a little bit out of control with the ice. We're gonna make a little bit of a mess here, but that's all right. It's like an adult snow cone, right? So finally, just break off some mint here. our beautiful garnish. Oh yeah. Straw. We want that straw to be real close to the mint there, so every time we go in for a sip, we're also getting a hit of that mint too. All right, so there it is. The Derby Deluxe Monday Whisky Demerara syrup, a whole lot of mint, and frustration-free ice. All right, let's give it a taste. The mint smells so good. Yeah, I just really like that. Ooh, the Monday Whisky in that is a real game changer because you're getting multiple flavors with that. It's nice and sweet. Okay, so there you have it. The Derby Deluxe. Get your fancy hats out, your really nice outfit, and just make your friends this beautiful drink. That's really good. You know, I haven't asked you to do this yet, and so let's just make it fun, right? I think a sub to the channel would be minty fresh. What do you think? All right, cool.